Oh, he never cried?
Because he was holding it for me.
Oh, no, you can't
And then
do
he gets
that.
so depressed.
You have to cry.
Crying is good.
Men, not every man wants to cry, but